So we're headed to a wire manufacturer in Dixon that had a fire loss several months ago. Basically, the building's about 75,000 square feet. We did one portion of the cleaning a couple months ago on a side of the building that wasn't as affected as the west side. We started this section of the building 2 days ago. They had to basically remove the roof, replace the roof. We're coming in and cleaning all the rafters, the walls, and some of the contents and shelving that are in the building. This right here is one of the units that actually caught fire. It affected the whole building, each side all the way down. All the way through actually looked like this part over here. Through the process, they've actually had the roof and insulation removed and replaced. So our job now is to clean all the rafters, conduit pipes, from the ceiling down to the walls, floors. With doing the wet wash on the metal, I mean, there's some staining, but for the most part, it does come really clean. SERVPRO Orange is a cleaner slash degreaser, so it actually has orange peels made into with it to help remove the soot from any type of material. So it's actually very good for fire damage, grease cleanup, anything like that.